Carmen and I have got our seats at Sadelle's. We're excited to try the food. So I think there's some items that are exclusive to the Toronto Kith store. So we're gonna check out the menu, figure out what to get. I mean, there's only 2 of us, but there's a lot of things that we want to try. But yeah, so let's take a look at the menu and see what's good. All right, so first off, we have the Tuna Melt sandwich. Comes served with pickles on the side. This one right here is the, what is this one? Oh, the Poppy. So this one is a Kith exclusive sandwich. And maybe the ingredients: bacon, coleslaw, tomato, and challah. So this looks really good. We also got the French toast. This is the Waldorf salad, consisting of chicken, walnuts, celery, Granny Smith apple, raisins, and Russian dressing, which is on the side. Say hello. Okay, cool. Now let's dig in and see how this all tastes. Delicious. A good mix of creamy, tangy, a little savory, a little sweet. It's not too light and it's not heavy at all. Very balanced salad, so I think it's really, really good. So the second thing we're gonna try is the Poppy sandwich. This is the Poppy sandwich, yes. Portion size is really, really solid actually. It's a big sandwich. Ugh. Alright, here you go. So you can see the bacon, the coleslaw, the tomatoes, the crispy bread. Wow. Very good. I mean, you guys know how traditional BLT tastes like, but delicious. A lot of strong flavors. Good crisp. Okay, amazing. The bacon, the bread. Coleslaw kind of like balances the saltiness of the bacon. So I'm gonna take one more bite actually. And the bread is like buttered, so yeah, really good. So next thing we're gonna try is the Tuna Melt. So it's served on a bagel with a thick slab of cheese. So my first impression of this is very rich, very creamy, dense sandwich. So if you like something a bit on the lighter side, this might not be for you. Personally, I love tuna. Tuna Melt is really good with the heavy cheese. So I like it. I think the Poppy sandwich is a little bit better, but it's still a delicious Tuna Melt sandwich. The pickle does help to cut some of the heaviness of it, so it's a good pairing. Okay, so our final item that we ordered is the French toast, saving dessert for last. So as you can see, it's a really, really thick piece of French toast, cut in the middle, and it comes with syrup and some sort of jam. So first I'm gonna try it as is without any of the add-ons and see how it tastes. It's a really nice crunch on the exterior, but the inside is extremely soft. You really feel that egg on the inside, very moist. So yeah, good. So I'll try the syrup. Here's a strawberry jam. much better when you add the syrup and the jam on top. Makes it a lot better. Solid. I like it. All right, so we made our way over right next door to Kith Treats to try some of the ice cream. So this flavor is the Granny Smith flavor. You can see we got that crumble on the top and the Kith stamped chocolate, which is a nice touch. Here's Carmen, busy at work with her food influencing. Taking our food content, you know, BTS, a little BTS here. Yeah, we just got one because I'm way too full. I didn't want to get a whole ice cream for myself.
It's really good.
That's the least descriptive way of describing food I've ever heard. My turn to try it.
It tastes like fall.
It's good. Very appley. A lot of cinnamon flavor. Yes, it does. It's like fall or autumn. All the vibes in my mouth right now.
I like the toffee bits.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah. If you're someone that doesn't like that apple cinnamony taste, then I would not get this Granny Smith flavor. But otherwise, I like it. I think it's pretty good. What do you think?
I like it.
Approved? Hey everyone, so I just got back home after an eventful time spent at the Kith store and at Sadelle's. It was pretty much a madhouse in there, even though, so we had booked a reservation online so that we didn't have to wait in line, because people were lining up, I think like 10 p.m. the day before or something like that. So, you know, if you have a reservation to Sadelle's, this is a tip. If you have a reservation, you can bypass any lines, go right to the front door, and they'll like escort you right up to the restaurant. And then after that, you can shop. So we're home. Food was good. I think my best or top choice was the Poppy sandwich. And then second would probably be the salad, I think. I'm not that big of a sweets guy, so that's why I go with the salad over the French toast. But the French toast for a dessert, it was really good. And then fourth would be there's a really loud siren. I don't know if that's going to interfere with the audio. But fourth was the Tuna Melt. That was good, but it wasn't anything like super special. Whereas the other three, it felt more elevated and it felt really like something special that I've never really had. In terms of pickups, so I'll give you guys a quick look at the stuff that I bought. Here is the A6 Kith exclusive colorway, the Scarab colorway. This is the GT2160. I just reviewed the solar power colorway. They had that one as well. So this is the other colorway that dropped in Kith stores exclusively. And then of course we have the I think it's called the Rococo or the Canada Red New Balance 1700. As you can tell, this is a made in Asia pair. So my other 1700s are all made in USA. So it has a little bit of a different shape. You can see this boxy toe box, which isn't ideal, but I'll give you guys a proper review about this shoe at some point later on. And then in terms of tees, this is really clean. And then on the back, you can see here, This one's nice. And then this one here is the cream colorway of the Skyline tee in a vintage print. So the black one that I wanted, that one was out of stock. That one sold out really fast. So this one, we have another white tee with the Kith box logo with the Toronto in script or handwriting. And then we have the blueprint of the store on the back. We have the address, Kith, Toronto. And then this one, which is a navy blue Sadelle's Kith, Toronto t-shirt. So the one that I really wanted was the box logo. That one apparently sold out like within 30 minutes, probably. So that one flew. That one was by far the most popular. All the t-shirts and the gray 1700 New Balances, those are all releasing on the new Canada Kith website on Monday. So for anyone that's trying to grab any of the tees, any of the New Balance shoes, and you don't have any means of lining up here in Toronto and don't want to waste the time, try your luck on the website this coming Monday. So that's pretty much it. You know, it's incredible that Toronto and Canada finally has a Kith physical location, and we also have e-commerce that's catered for us, so no more duties. $10 shipping, I think, flat across the board. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure that's how it works. And yeah, so let me know if you have any questions. I'll try to answer best to my ability down below. And as always, give me a like. Subscribe if you haven't to the channel. You can follow me on Instagram at esco8, follow my Twitter account at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So thank you everyone for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.